Thank you for staying with us. The market is closing positive the start of the week. The all-share index is up very high, significantly high, 1.96%. Top gainers, we have Nigerian Breweries PLC, we have Cadbury, we have Royalex, we have Champion Breweries, we have International Breweries here. And top losers, we have Transco Hot, we have Guinness, we have Academy Press, we have Wapik Assurance, and we have Sunu Assure. Effiong Ekop, 1.96% this Monday. It's significant, I must tell you.
The bulls are riding the market in a very wild way. And this is the week 6 of a continuous price jump.
Yeah.
And I think investors are happy because the positive trends, means recovery of lost grounds that they had, preceding first quarter. It's coming on the back of huge large cap securities coming with very high gains. If we begin to list them, the list may be endless. You talk of ETI, you talk of First Bank Group, Nigerian Breweries, Cadbury, MTN Nigeria, so many of them, so they take all these high prices and you find those mid-cap firms lining up and following them. Yeah. So the bullish run is very, very strong. We've had a very strong one in the last 3 weeks. And the bulls really sets, to stay on the trading floor. And we can understand the reason. But one thing, there will be a break, any moment from now. Because of the influence of politics. If you had read newspapers' front pages today, you've seen the direction what politics is beginning, to do. Yeah. So that's what will be the effects that it will exert to the market. And so because of cautious nature and fund managers not willing to lose money, they will have to sit back and then withdraw and then watch the market. Not that they wouldn't want to play very high, but they watch how the politicians will, guide their games, because you cannot ignore what politics will do to the markets and the economy. So for now, those who have investable funds, instead of keeping them idle, they put into the market. Of course, serious analysis needs to be done before you put money. Yeah. So fund managers, for now, they are good. They are seeming, although we have an infrastructure problem, like your guest has said, other things worrying, but with good analysis, they are able to navigate the way, and then you select, companies. You know that we have so many good companies quoted at the exchange. Yeah. But having said that, it is not all of them that would pay dividend at the end of it. So you do good analysis and survey and check their background, their history, their statements, then you get to go. The future is bright, future is good, but the economy generally must grow in order to strengthen activities at the stock market. The stock market alone will not be able to, do anything on its own, because it draws strength from the larger economy. We have so many sectors, so many companies that are not yet quoted in the market, and they wish to come in. But are they able to come in? Hear what somebody from the telecom sector is saying. The telecom that we know carry a huge weight. When he talks about the problems, the operational issues, you could be afraid somehow. So that's exactly what is happening to people. I interacted with people who play in the agri sector, and I got frightened by what some of them are saying. A common thing like fertilizer, very hard for them to get. Even the seeds, many of them cannot afford. So some of them are returning back to the traditional, seeds that are not really growing well, and we want to grow and then bring more money, food to the table. How are we going to be able to do? So many things are left to be done in order to grow the capital markets.
Indeed, I must thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. It's a good to start the week, a good way to start the week positively. Yes, let's hope that we stay like this.
We will still stay positive tomorrow, hopefully. I think.
All right.